Okay, you can create a game with a wizard. It's very simple. If you can directly can help you to quickly start or create a game, something like that. It's actually just a runner game, something like that. You can access it from here, or create a new game, or access game wizard from here. If you open that, you can see they are not have any other kind of the game, just simple endless runner. You can go to the next and you can see the preview here. You can choose which environment do you want to be. For example, no city. You can go next and we are here. uh, it's just waiting for downloading and assembling the stuff. Just waiting. It's take a couple of minutes. Okay, and then from here you can choose your character if you want, and then go to the next. And from here you can choose which control you want. You can forward swap. It's going up, down, left, right, and back. If you going almost over them, you can see some explanation here. You can choose the buttons. You can see we have buttons here, or thumbstick if you want. Yeah, buttons are nice. You can go left and right, up and down. If you want, you can jump 3 lanes or free control if you want. It's going to anywhere that you want, or just in 3 lanes that you want. You can write that. Going to the next. From here, you can tell which enemy do you want. Which enemy? Yeah, this bomb. It's nice for me. And nice. I'm going to rate. You can tell how your character will be die. You can game logic, endless runner. You can checkpoint or time trail. Endless runner is nice. You can tell the software that the character one hit kill, it will die, or you can collect coin as a health, or you can activate health bar. From here you can see what happens if you choose them. These are power up, speed up, magnet, and you can read all of its explanation here. And then going to next. This is, you can replace your application icon. These are for bundle ID and the advertisement that appear on your phone game. You can see what happened. And then go to the next, and you can export to the buildbox Word, or you can go to the finish to go to software environment and preview your game. Okay, that's nice. And then you can simply, you can explore mind map or any other part. I think it's go to the older version. Okay, and then you can preview your game. In some games, yeah, and you can play. Nice. You can go this way, in this way, and up and down. Boom. Okay, nice.